everyone, so today I'm actually going shopping for university. Yesterday I went to IKEA, so I'm gonna make that a separate vlog, and today I'm just gonna get a few other bits that I need. I got a few things from IKEA but not the main things. Today I'm gonna try and look for things like bedding and cutlery and all that stuff, so if you want to see what I buy then continue watching. Alright, so basically I'm in the range right now. I'm just gonna look at most of the things like upstairs right now. So I'm looking at this towel. If you saw my IKEA vlog, I was gonna get one from IKEA but it wasn't like nice quality, so I want a pink one, and I'm probably gonna get this one, and I'm like some hand ones as well. Alright, so I ended up getting 2 hand towels, like a bath one and another smaller one, and then I'm thinking of getting this for my bathroom. It's $1.99, so it's a pretty good price, and just to put like my shampoo and conditioner and that kind of thing. And I don't know where I'm gonna hang it, but I'll figure out. So I'm looking at the bed sheets. My bed's a 3/4 bed, so it's a small double, and I don't exactly know what size to get, so I think I'm probably just gonna get a double one because I'd rather have it be bigger than small. I found a specific one, but this is like the first place I looked in, so I don't exactly know if I should get that one, just in case I find it anywhere better. I'll show you that one in a second. But like there's loads of pillows, and as I said, I'm doing pink and grey theme, so I'm gonna probably get one of these. I don't know, I'm gonna see if I like them. And I already have a grey throw at home, so I'm just gonna take that one. So that's why I'm getting a pink sheet. So basically I was thinking of getting this sheet, so it just looks like that, as you can see in the picture, and I think it looks pretty good. I don't know, if I get a few pillows and stuff, it's just like pink and grey. So I need some containers, so I was thinking of getting like this sort of one. It's like 4 inside, or this, which is 5 with 5, and I don't know, I think it'll be quite useful. These ones have like really tiny ones, so I don't know if I'll use this. I don't know if I'll use them as much, but these have like multiple large ones. So basically I went to eat Burger King, and now I'm in Primark. I want to get this wallet, it looks quite nice, but like my wallet's kind of broken a little bit, so I'm gonna get this one. It's just pink, it's quite nice. And after that I'm gonna go home bargains so I can get some uni stuff. Alright, so I got some things in the bag there. So I got like one of these bags right up there, that one right there, just for some stuff that I might need in uni. And then I got like one of these little things, so it has like tweezers and nail clippers. I think I will definitely need that. And then I got like a really cute keyring, some scrunchies, hairbands, because I don't need this stuff and I have them at home, but obviously when I go to uni I'm not going to have them with me. Alright, so I'm in Primark. Basically they have these pillows and duvets. I'm taking one of the pillows I already have at home, but they have this duvet. It's 13.5 talk, so it's really good. The double one is £13, so it's pretty good, but like I don't know if I can carry it right now, so we might come back for it or look somewhere else. And in terms of the duvets, I don't really like anything that much because I'm looking for pink, but they have some cute things. I just got a few things. Obviously you'll see that in my haul that I do. And then I actually got a laundry basket as well. It's a grey one, I'll show you right now. So there were these kind of ones, but obviously I decided to get this one because it has handles. It's pretty good. And then they have like this marbly kind of things for your bathroom, like for your soap and your toothbrush, but I already bought a white one yesterday from IKEA, so plus I'm not really going to put soap in this anyway. I'm just going to keep it in its original container. Alright, so hi guys, sorry it's been a little while. I've been quite busy, so I didn't have time to take out the vlog camera, but I got some new shoes. I went to Shoe. I got some new Vans. I have like these black Vans, but they're quite old now, so I got new Vans for uni. And then I also got some Nike slides, like so I can like wear around the halls and stuff. And then my sister got a bag, so yeah, quite nice. Feel the bag. And then now I'm gonna go home bargains, just get some more homey things, and it's good prices. So, and then I might go B&M as well, we'll see. So here we are. Alright guys, I found the perfect thing. Look, I'm gonna literally get marble everything. This is great for my kitchen because I love marble stuff. But yeah, so it has like cutlery, plates, everything. Apart from pasta bowls, actually, I don't know. But I'm probably gonna get one of these, like a few of them each actually. And I'm gonna get these boxes, small one kind of, and a big one at the bottom. And then yeah, this is gonna fall from my hand. And then this thing at the top is like for your pencils and stuff on your desk. I got one of them as well. It's just 79p. But yeah, this is home bargains, pretty good price. Alright, so I actually got my bowls, plates, and I got a mug as well, a marble mug right there. And then I got a pizza tray and then a baking tray. I'm gonna look on the other side for a few more things like that. Like I need a cake tin as well, and then the cutlery, and then a marble tray as well. And then I got this like storagey thing. If I need it in my kitchen or my room or something, I can just like put some stuff in there. And then I found this, which I saw is going to really help a lot. I don't want to wash my clothes, dry my clothes and pay for that all the time. So this is quite helpful. You just put it on your radiator like that, and then you dry whatever you need to, and it's literally £2.49, so why not? Alright, so I got this bin, basically for that, and that's the lid there, because it kind of matches with the toilet brush I got. So I was thinking of getting a pink bin there and then that, but then like, oh my god, sorry, you can hear a child crying. But then I thought like, I don't really want to do pink and grey for my bathroom. I think I'm going to do white and grey because that's the stuff I've got so far. Okay, hi guys, I'm in the car now. I just put down all my shopping and stuff. My mum and sister went to pay for the parking. We had so many bags that I couldn't even take out my camera. But basically, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Hopefully you got an idea of what you could buy to prepare for university, or even if you're not going to uni, then you enjoyed it and found it fun to watch and interesting to see what I buy. So I'm gonna link the haul down below when I film it. I'm still waiting for quite a few things. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.